Hi, welcome to Club Manager tutorial. Been asked the question how we do attendance records without a Wi-Fi signal. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump in, and we're straight in on the mobile version. This works on the desktop as well, so if you're using an iPad and prefer the bigger version, it's exactly the same. So you come in here, we're already logged in, go to attendance, and right at the very top there's a little line that says go offline. This was deliberately put in for those reasons. So click on there and it will just talk you through select a class. So just select the class that you want. So we'll go for Tuesday, see this evening, whether it's going to be a sparring lesson or not, or which clubs I want in. I can actually do it, leave all my clubs there, so I've got the choice of who turns up, and you can add them all in. And as you can see across the top, you can now add any of your students to your class for one day. When you have an internet connection again, press the submit button. So we'll just add in a few. Again, we've got multiple, and then all we do is when we come back into this, we just literally submit them when online. There's the button there. So submit them. Are you ready to submit your attendance? Yes, but remember, only do that submit button once you're back through. Okay, and that should be absolutely everything. So the go offline is the button you're looking for. If you're struggling with signal, make sure you're in signal. Do that before. I would suggest if you're sat out in the car or something like that outside your venue, do that. Okay, hope that helps.